Ah, that really hurt. What up? It's your boy Tuna, and today we're gonna be doing another Lace series. Today we're gonna be doing honey barbecue, and then we're gonna be doing regular barbecue. I wasn't really excited because of this because it's just gonna taste like barbecue sauce. But we're still gonna do it! I'm down! Honey barbecue and regular barbecue. I already know what regular barbecue flavor it is. So I'm gonna eat that first to refresh my mind. Oh, let me take my hat. Why's my hat always on? You know one of those like those Lace chips, the ones that have like a super ton of like black pepper and salt on it. This just smells like black pepper and salt. It tastes like it too. Oh, my bad, let me show you. See all that sauce on there? It just tastes like barbecue chips. I got nothing good to say about it. But I do got good stuff to say about it. I love barbecue chips, I can't lie. It's just, you eat it so much, you just... It's not good. Just... Ugh. Okay. Lace honey barbecue. Let me wash my mouth first. Okay, I'm back. Honey Lace barbecue. There's no smell. It just smells like a bag. It smells like a bag of chips. Of normal Lace. No, seriously, that's what it smells like. Have you ever got like those regular Lace bags, like the plain ones? And then you smelt it? That's what it smells like. It smells like that. Now, that's what it looks like. It looks the same as every other chip I pulled out. Nope. Nope. Why did I never have a cup or anything to spit in? This is not good. Not good at all. No. My full opinion, I don't taste good. But that's me. I don't know about you guys. You guys hear that crunch? Listen to that crunch, listen. That's not good at all. What is going on? Lace, you be slack-a-lacking, man. Come on. You be slack-a-lacking. You need to make better. I'm gonna try other chips. I'm gonna literally try every single Lace chips that they got. Well, I'm gonna try to, if they got it even around here, because they got international chips too. So that's gonna be hard to get. Like, they got the Japanese one, they got the one in like Africa, they got everywhere. I don't even know where. Apparently they got different kinds. International, within the country. I'm not even excited to eat this. Yeah, I'm not even excited to eat this. Let me tell you why, because I don't like this one. I don't like it. It's not good. I'd rather pick this one. I'd rather eat this for life than eat this. I take that back. All this needs is more barbecue. This one has too much of a honey taste. So they might as well just call it honey besides honey barbecue, because there's literally like no barbecue flavor in this. It's all honey. They need more barbecue in this bag right here. They slacking. They slacking. That's all I know. This is my island. I'm just messing with you guys. That's gonna be it. I'm gonna come back next time with a few more other laces than the ones I already got. And then at the end, I'm gonna do a challenge. Well, I'm gonna try to do this challenge. I'm gonna try to get one of my friends to come in and like switch it up and all that, and then switch it up, and then like I'm gonna try to guess which one it is. I got you guys. Don't worry, I got you guys. I'm gonna go. Deuces.